And that, is that vegetation, or what is that?
I was showing vegetation on top. I usually like to include houseplants if I can, especially in the bedroom. It's good for you to get better sleep and you can increase the oxygen. And then also, I mentioned I was showing here, this is an actual piece. It's a coral reef world piece. It's all kind of knitted together.
Well, that's
But
cool.
just thinking something like that would be neat in there. Like I said, it helps a lot with sound and
Yeah, I think
kind of comfort. And then these are all sliding panels, so you can close it completely.
Well, I'm not sure I'm following that when you're saying that, Brian. When you say close it completely, what?
Sorry. So these doors I have stacked somewhat.
Yeah.
You could close it off all the way to here and close up the bathroom.
Oh, I see. So you can close the bathroom entirely, and,
Right.
and there could be privacy in there
Right.
if we wanted that. in
Right.
the
Like
whole
at
area.
the place
And then
in Australia, the hike.
and it's just showing them completely open. This is where the shower door is, shower glass. So
Obviously,
That's
that's
the extent.
open, and then you could close it otherwise all the way to the edge.
right. So I know, I would say personally, I'd probably have it open most of the time, but then it gives you the option of closing it also.